Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can convert any video into cartoon only with the CapCut application. Open your CapCut application right away, and then you just need to open the video that you want to edit here. I already have this, so if you want to edit or convert this into the cartoon, you just need to tap into this effects, and first I would like to delete the first effect first, and then tap into this body effects. And this body effects, just take a look on this side and swipe it into the left side until you find roll here and tap roll. The next, you just need to go tap into this cartoon face, and then you just need to go put this checklist button, and don't forget to apply the effects into the whole video so that you will get this applied and have the 3D effects on it. So that is for this tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this. If you still have some questions, just drop into the comment sections below, and don't forget to subscribe into this channel for upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other video.